ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀವು ಯಾರನ್ನಾದರೂ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಊಹಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತೋರಿಸೋಂಥ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆ್ಯಪ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಮೊದಲಾಗಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಟೋರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಕಿನೇಟರ್ ದಿ ಜೀನಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಪ್ನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾನು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ಜೀನಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಎಸ್, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋ, ಪ್ರಾಬಬ್ಲಿ ನಾಟ್. ನಾನೀಗ ಕಿಚ್ಚ ಸುದೀಪ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಗರ್ಲ್, ನೋ. ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್? ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ an animal? ನೋ. ಡಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ಲೇ Minecraft? ನೋ. Is your character a YouTuber? No. Does your character stand on two legs? Yes. Does your character have a phone? Yes. Is your character Indian? Yes. Is your character from South India? Yes. Does your character have a son? No. Is your character from North Korea? No. Does your character currently have a wife? Yes. Is your character currently more than 50 years old? No. Was your character's father famous? No. Is your character from the Loud House? No. Is your character married on famous person? No. Is your character thin? Yes. Has your character watched a TV show? Yes. Is your character's father dead? No. Is your character a captain of team? Yes. Does your character do comedy videos? No. Is your character a rock star? No. ನೋಡಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಸುದೀಪ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನೀಗ ರಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ಸ್ಕೊತೀನಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡೋಣ. Play again. Is your character married? Yes. Is your character famous throughout the world? No. Is your character married to an actor? Yes. Is your character's father's dead? No. Does your character have younger brother? No. Does your character speak Telugu? No. Is your character from one of the both plastic states? No. Is your character from South India? Yes. Does your character have a white hair? No. Is your character a cyber commando? No. Is your character a woman? No. Does your character have a son? No. Has your character been married at least once? No. Does your character play in Underworld? No. Does your character act in Kannada movies? Yes. Is your character a duck? No. Is your character currently more than 40 years old? No. ಎಸ್ ಯಶ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದು ಯಾಕೆ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ನೀವೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್